Hi guys, Steve Carew here, Fulling Mill Technical Manager. I'm here in the beautiful hut at Tescoombe Fishery and I'm going to tie some of Fulling Mill's top patterns using some of our new amazing fly tie materials. Okay, in the vise here I've got the George Daniel Polar Streamer. This is a jig style streamer from top USA angler George Daniel. Very effective fly, easy to tie, and it's very easy to do with some of our new materials like our Streamer Straggle and our new Marabou. So in the vise I've got a size 12 Fulling Mill jig force hook, and I've got a 4.6mm Fulling Mill slotted tungsten bead. So a little trick for fixing the tungsten bead in place is get some lead or non-toxic lead substitute wire. Make, I don't know, maybe 8 to 10 turns. Clip off the tag piece. Just drop a little touch of super glue in between the wire and the bead, and then just push that wire right up inside the bead, and that fixes it in place. Okay, so take your tying thread. This is just a standard black tying thread, quite a thick one, and run your thread to the back of the fly. Okay, so the tail on this fly is the new Fulling Mill Marabou. This is the Premium Select Marabou. So in most Marabou packs that you'll buy, lots of the feathers are absolute junk. In here, what we've done is we've taken all the fluff off the bottom, trimmed off the bottom of the stalk, so it's just absolutely prime, ready to go. You can just tear the Marabou off and it's ready to use. So we do also have Marabou bloods. It's a really big generous pack. We've taken it off the string, so it's really easy to use. I think there's like 7 grams in that pack, something like 20 feathers in the Premium Selected Marabou. And it's the Premium Selected Marabou is what we use for the tail on this fly. So I'm just going to tear some bunches of Marabou off the stalk there. Don't need too much. Maybe just a. No, I think that would work just fine. Okay, so once we've got the right length that we want, just chop it to length, pull off all the fluff, just lick your fingers, and then if you spin it around in your fingers like that, you get a perfect little tail. So we tie that in. Okay. So we've got quite a big bead on this fly. You could make it lighter if you wanted to. You could play around for whatever bead size you wanted for the river that you fish. So I've now got some gold flash. Just tie that there, spin that around, and then just run that down. Okay, just cut the flash same length as the tail, and then the body on this fly is Streamer Straggle, and this Streamer Straggle is in the size jumbo. We do have different sizes. I think there's a micro size, there's a standard size, and then there's this jumbo. We do it with some with UV flash, some just purely translucent, and some with metallic flashes through it. But for this pattern, it is just the black and UV one we're going to use. So I'll cut a short section off. Make sure that's all level. Just tie that in. Okay. and then we just wind this up the body. After each turn, just stroke the fibres back. It just gives a really nice straggly effect to the body. Okay, when we're at the head, just want to tie this off. Okay, make sure that's nice and secure. And then the final thing we just need to add on is just some legs. So this is just like some black silicone legs. It's got little blue flashes on it. So we want 2 strands on each side. So I'm going to fold it around my thread, position it on this side, and then I'll do the same on the other side. Fold it around my thread and just position it on the far side. And once I'm happy with how they're sitting, just bind that down, just grab those legs, just even those up. Okay, there we go. And then we just whip finish. So a little bit of super glue on the thread. Pull everything out of the way, and then a quick whip finish. And there we go, that's the finished fly. So that's the George Daniel Polar Streamer. Great sort of modern style jig streamer. You can use it on a Euro rig. You could fish it on a conventional setup on like a floating line and strip it just as you would any other streamer, but super effective fly. Either tie some up yourself, do different colours, different weights, or you can buy the pattern from us online as well.